So there are two bugs in our code right now, so let's fix them. So first is this server instance that we created. We need to pass the actual server in here, right? Then second thing is when we go to index.html, so in here you can see like I have added event.prevent default, but there is no event present. So whenever someone submits that form, we will need this event, right? So pass the e here so we can prevent default it. So let's save this, close this server, and you can restart it again, node app.js. Okay, then open, now we can open two windows, so we can see like chat application. Okay, so when I refresh, on left side set the username as anything recognizable. So left user I set it, and on right side I will use a right user, and then I will type hi from left side. So you can select on right side I can select left user as type hi, so I can say hello from right side, send. So you can see on the left window I can select right user has typed hello, right? And on my side it will only show message. So our application is working, but it doesn't look very good. So let's write css. Okay, so I will go to index.html, and here we will write our css. Style. So insert styles, we will write all of our styles. So first let's write style for username model, this, and we will position it fixed, and then top 0, left 0, and then width 100%, height 100%. Then display flex, align items center, justify content center. So we will instead of showing chat window, we will show the username model first, and then after the entering it we will show other things. Okay, so we made it in the center. Now let's make the background color transparent. So how you will do that, you will use RGBA. So in here it will be 0 0 0, and last parameter 0.5, transparency 50%. Yeah, and then we will set some z index, so it will be always on top. Save it, and if I refresh this, so you can see like this username model is in center, yeah, fixed position. Okay, now let's write another styles for the inner content. Yeah. So in the username model for the division, we can select background color white, and padding of 20 pixels maybe, and then border radius 5 pixels, and then text align center. So let's save this much. Okay, so it is looking very good right now compared to earlier. So let's define style for the input. So I will copy this name, and input, and in here I will give padding of 10 pixel, and then font size of 16 pixels, then margin top 10 pixel, then border of 1 pixel solid, hashtag TDD, it is light gray. Okay, and then maybe border radius of 4 pixel. So let's save it and refresh. So you can see like this input is better now. So now after this, let's write styles for the messages, right, where we show all the messages. So messages width, it will be 100%. Then max width, so it will not exceed that area, like 600%, sorry, pixel. And then we will also fix the height, 400 pixel is fine. Then border of 1 pixel solid, hashtag TDD. And then background white and overflow Y. So when someone scroll through the message, it will scroll, right, it will not stay in the same screen. So overflow Y scroll, and then we will also give some padding 10 pixel. Then margin bottom 10 pixel, and some box shadow 0, then 2 pixel, 4 pixel on X and Y axis, and then RGBA actual color, so it will be again transparent. We'll make it less. Okay, so let's save this much. And okay, so if I set this username, so you can see like this is the data, right? So if I type hi, okay, it is showing up in the nice box right now. So yeah, we will enhance it even further. So each individual message, so it will be in a message display flex, then margin bottom 10 pixel, align items center. Okay, and the username which we show, right, that we need to font weight bold and margin right 5 pixel. Okay, and message dot send. Okay, if someone sends the message, so we need to show it on the right hand side, right? So justify content flex send. Okay, and message dot send, and it is in content. So we are defining style for the content right now if someone sends the message. Background color, so it will be a hash D1 E7 DD. And if message is received, message dot received, we will style the content here. So it will be a background color of hashtag E9 ECE F. Okay, so here we will add some color to recognize it. So maybe black is fine, right? Black, and below also. Okay, and then actual main content, it will be max width of 70% is fine. And then I will add some padding to this, so 8 pixel and 12 pixels, and then border radius 12 pixels, and then box shadow 0, 1 pixel, 3 pixel, and then transparent RGBA 0.1. okay, let's see this much, so let's save it. Go to our browser and refresh. So if I enter the username and then type some message hi, okay, so you can see like hi is appearing on the right hand side because I typed the message. So if I open the another window and refresh it, write user set username, and let me type it again because this client just connected right now, right? So that's why it is not showing up. So I will type hello. So you can select left user, it is showing up, and he typed the hello message on, and in the left window we can select we type the hello. Okay, so on right window we will type hello from right side. So you can see since I typed the message, it is showing up on my right side, and in here it is showing for this window on left side, right? So that's what we wanted. So let's style it even further. So content, so form, right? So here we will say display flex width 100%, max width 620 pixel, okay, and then form input, it will be a flex 1, so it will expand, and then padding we will give it 10 pixels, then border 1 pixel, solid hashtag DDD, and then border radius of 4 pixel, and then margin right 10 pixels. Okay, so this is for the input for user, this input basically when someone types the message. Then for the button, send button, so let's write for that form button. So here we will type padding, so it will be 10 15, 10 pixel, 15 pixel, so horizontal and then vertical. Then border we will set to none, and then background color, let's use this 184 CD1, it's a nice blue color, CTA color. And then I will set color to white or triple F, whatever you want to write, both are same. Then border radius 4 pixel, then cursor, pointer, so once we hover on it, it will show a cursor pointer. Okay, now if I save this and go here and let's refresh, so you can see like this is showing up nice. Okay, let's style this one also, it is looking ugly, so let's, that is set username button, right? So set username button, so it is again same padding, border is also same, so I will just copy paste this style. So let's save it, refresh it. Okay, now our application is working, right? So if I resize this window, let's open our another window as well here, and let's refresh both our app. So left side it is connected and right side is also connected. So if I type hi from this, so you can see that on my left side it is showing hi, and here it says that left user has typed the hi, right? So I will just type now hello hello bro. So on my left window it is now showing up that right user as type hello bro, right? So again, I again send notes. So if I send it, so on chat window it shows up like I again send notes. And this other window, right, I will expand this as well so you can see both of them. Yep. So my chat is on right side, and his chat is on left side, right? So that's what we wanted. But this application doesn't look quite good. I mean, we can style it even further. So let's add one more small styling to display it in the center, right? So I think we need to do in body. Let's do display flex and justify content center and align items center. So let's see now. Refresh. Okay, so since we did the flex, we need to add flex direction column as well. So flex direction column, so it made it horizontal, we need to make it vertical, right? Okay, so this is what we wanted. So it is in the center now, so I will try it again. Hi, send notes. Okay, let's wait, I need to connect to that username first, right? So let's refresh it. Right user, now it is connected. So I will type again, hi send notes. Okay, it appeared. And then okay, sure, which subject. Okay, so if I go to another window, you can see that it is working, right? So this is my one window and this is another. Okay, so that's it for this project. I will provide link to this project